Guys, how's it going? So, my name is Ryan, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can get $250 sign-up bonus with a $220 a day payout. This is for the US only, but let's dive into it anyway. Oh, and if you're wondering about my accent, I actually moved here about 3 years ago from the UK. So, firstly, you're going to want to head to ogearners.com/make-money-online. Now, once you're here, as you can see, I've found up to $220 per day with surveys. Again, this is for the US only, as you can see, and they are giving a $250 sign-up bonus away, so it's definitely worth doing. They've got a list of top earners, look, and actually that's this month as well, so you know that it's very recent indeed. As you can see again, look, you get a $250 sign-up bonus, but let me show you on the site real quick what it looks like. I've also got these if you guys want to share this with people that maybe you know. Yeah, so I know you're probably wondering how it works. Well, I was as well. They actually cover that here. Look, you can see that basically they get paid for your time. You do surveys, they get paid, they give you a percentage. And of course there are going to be some standard questions that you are going to have again. Those are all in the FAQs here. And then we have the review section, which I'm showing you right now as well, which has a couple of stories from people. And again, right down here, look, we have payment proof from people that have actually used the system. So it looks to be very interesting, and so far, so good for me. I must say, I did test it to see, and yep, I did get a payout, so let's do this. So first of all, you're going to want to go ahead and put your information into the box here. Just type this out, and see where it says this here, look, claim my $250 sign-up bonus. Go ahead and smack that button there. Now, this is what you'll be met with next. This is where you have to do 5 surveys. Once again, it is the US only. These are simple though, it is literally one email. Look, there are only 5 of them, so it's literally a case of name or email and you're away. So you see this bar here, look in the top. What you're going to want to do is wait for this bar to get all the way over to here. Once you've done that, you'll get your sign-up bonus, and they will email you a unique link. So I will be right back once I've done these offers. What is up, everybody? So I am back. As you can see here, look, I do now have an email from OG Earners with a unique link to get my own payout for the $250 sign-up bonus. That's actually just came now. And yeah, it is actually really simple, as you can see here, look. They are going into great detail into how to redeem it, but it is so simple. The payout is within 24 business hours. So please do keep that in mind. It may not literally be a blink of the eyes, but let's do it. So you can see here, look, $250 sign-up bonus withdrawal form request. So this is where you're getting your payout after you've done your surveys. There are a couple of options, look, Bitcoin, PayPal and gift card. But for this I'm going to go gift card because it's easiest. So here we are, I'm going to request that payment now, look, just smack the button. Here we are, withdrawal request has been submitted, please allow up to 24 hours to receive your funds. For any questions, please contact us at support@OGEarners. Okay, so there's the email as well. Like I say, if you do need to contact them after that, but you do have to allow them up to 24 business hours to pay it out. They are going to have a lot of people, so alright, let's get into the proof. And here we are, as you can see, this is my payout email. So I've got my $250 gift certificate right here. Look, I got that off Amazon. That has came through just now. It's been about 3 hours, I think. And yeah, you can see, look, there's the code. So you can also activate it right there by tapping the button. It's super simple. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all when I come across another fantastic deal. Hey guys, how's it going? And I will see you all when I come across another fantastic deal.